I had an issue with this portable propane heater unit, and I fixed it, so I want to share it with you guys in case it can help somebody out there. So the story of this, I was driving along one day and I found it on the side of the street. Somebody had thrown it. I already had a smaller one, and I really love that unit, and it costs a lot of money. So when I saw this in the garbage, I had to pick it up and try to fix it. This one is worth about $250 plus taxes, so it's a valuable unit. So when I came home, by the way, this is a Martin heater, but it's the same as the body from Mr. Heater. This one has a 3 heating element. It can contain take 2 propane tanks. You can also put battery packs and turn on a fan, which kind of send hot air, so it's convection at the same time. So when I came home and started testing it, this is the issue. So I push, pilot starts, everything works well, turn on, flame is there, it's heating. The minute I let go of my hand here, when I don't push it anymore, it stops. So I can try that over and over and it stops. So I was wondering what's the issue. So I dismantled the unit, and first thing I noticed is that these 2 wires, the red and the white cable, was shorted. They were shorted up in the air, and I noticed this element there was just sitting empty, wondering what the hell, why would there be an element and not be used? So I questioned myself right away, thinking that that might be an issue. So I opened up the tape and then hooked it up there, the 2 connectors. So I separated them because they were shorted, connected it up, tried it again. Unfortunately, it didn't work. Now, I'm like, okay, so maybe this is the issue still, you know, because there must have been something the previous owner tried and didn't work. So I just followed this cable here, and it goes to here, right here. And what do you know? This is loose. So all you really have to do is take this and then tighten it. So now I'm gonna tighten it by hand first, and you'll see the results. But after that, use a number 8. I believe this is a metric 8mm probably, and then tighten it with the wrench. So let's give it a try and see now if it's gonna stay on. Push, pilot, fire up, let it go. Voila! Salvaged a beautiful heater worth many hundreds of dollars from going to the trash. And now you see it, it's starting to heat up. It's gonna be completely red. Turn off the lights. And the other one. There you go.
Good job, Papa.
Working perfectly well. And you can reduce, this is too much. So I hope that this video helps you fixing your machine. As you saw, this was absolutely like nothing to it. I didn't have to change any parts. It was just to tighten this little I don't know, it's some sort of a connecting device that was relating the cable to the regulator. Good night.